Welcome to Learnable. Hi, I am Lewis. Today, we will learn about reproduction in flowering plants. This means that seeds are produced through flowers. The structure of flowers in most types of plants consists of male parts known as stamen, comprising of anther, part of the stamen that produces pollen and stores them in pollen sacs, filament, the slender stalk that supports the anther. It also consists of female parts, known as carpel, comprising of stigma, the sticky tip on the top of the pistil that receives the pollen grains, style, long, slender stalk that connects the stigma to the ovary, ovary, part of the pistil that protects the ovule and becomes the fruit after fertilization has taken place, ovule, becomes the seed after the fertilization has taken place. Besides the male and female parts, a flower have petals. Purpose is to attract pollinators, such as birds and insects, to the flowers during cross-pollination. Sepals, lower or outermost part of the flower, whose purpose is to protect the flower in bud and support for petals when in bloom. Flower stalk. Purpose is to hold the flower up so that it can be easily detected by pollinators. A perfect flower is mentioned. Examples are hibiscus, morning glory, and tomato. It is possible for plants to be a bisexual plant, meaning bearing separate male and female flowers on the same plant. Examples are cucumber, maize, and watermelon. Both bisexual plants or plants with perfect flowers can have self-pollination, as they do not need another plant to reproduce. It is also possible to have male and female flowers develop on separate plants, known as male plant or female plant. An example is asparagus. Flowering plants carry out reproduction from the following typical process. During the life cycle of a flowering plant, which will repeat when the adult plant starts flowering. 1. Pollination. Transfer of pollen grains from the anther of one flower to the stigma of the same flower or another flower of the same kind. 2. Fertilization. Process in which a male reproductive cell fuses with a female reproductive cell, also known as an egg cell. 3. Dispersal of fruits and seeds. Seeds need to be dispersed or scattered away from the parent plant so that they can grow. 4. Germination. First stage in the development of a plant from a seed. 5. Growth of a seed after germination. From root to shoot, with first leaves to carry out photosynthesis. 6. Growth of young plant to adult plant which starts flowering. We will know more in depth in our next video. Hope you find it interesting and enjoy the class. Flowers delight the world with beauty. Stay tuned to know more. See you later. Ciao.